Hi, welcome to Harmony Hills Home and Garden. I'm Jenny, and we live and garden in Baltimore, Maryland. But today, I am in Minnesota visiting my son and daughter-in-law, and my daughter-in-law, Beth, is getting ready to prune her rose bush. So let's see how she does it. All right, you may remember Beth from last summer's visit to Minnesota. She's out there. I'm sitting here nice and comfy on the porch while she's out in the rain. Sorry, Beth.
Hey, rain is better than snow.
That's exactly right. You can see here in Minnesota, we're in St. Paul, Minnesota, and spring is just beginning here. And the rose bush has tiny little buds of leaves coming out on it, but no flowers yet. In fact, the first flowers that have bloomed in this yard are crocus and squill. And so I think they're about a month behind us in their spring here. So this is a job that I was doing a little while back, and Beth's getting to hers right now.
All right, let's be aggressive.
All right, go for it. Take out everything that's smaller than a pencil.
I'm even going to try and look at big canes, actually. This one, I'm going to come back with.
Yep.
So if I'm going to come back with that, where do we got crossover happening? All this stuff on bulbs. So I did plant some under here. It's like this one comes and goes back to there. Here it goes.
Do it, do it,
Doing
do
it.
it, do it.
All right. Now, which way though? Does the angle matter?
I don't think it matters. I've heard lots of different opinions on that.
I know. All right. Woohoo!
All right, you've broken the seal. Now you can continue without any guilt. It is so hard to cut off your beloved rose stems, but it's really better for the plant. You probably don't want these two to be crossing and rubbing.
I should get rid of this whole thing. Is what I should do.
Yeah. Take it down to the ground.
Yep.
It's older anyway. You can tell it's browner. All right, it's looking way better. Woohoo! So you've got it all pruned up, Beth. Now what are you doing?
I am trying it to try and shape it a little bit better to the arbor that I have. If you look down at the arbor and the root ball, I didn't do a very good job placing it, actually. I think, you know, the dream was, oh, the plant will grow just up, but the plant grows toward the sun, which means the arbor actually wasn't placed in the best position. And so, like, this side of the arbor is pretty sparse, and then this kind of grows and fights. So I'm just trying to position things a little more evenly across the arbor to make a somewhat cleaner shape.
Nice.
And this nice kind of plasticky ribbon that allows you not to need the tie so close to the arbor. Some days I think like, perfection, let's move the arbor, let's cut the arbor out and put a whole new other thing. And then other days I go, progress.
Yep.
Make it work.
5, 6.
8.
Try it
Can
again.
you count them again?
Count them again.
7.
Start over.
Let's start right here and count again. Ready? 1.
2. 3.
Hold on. Does that count as 1? 3.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
9.
9.
Yeah. Here's the 4 big ones and 6 small ones.
All right, Leon, what should we do? Should we do 2 and 2? Should we do 2 big ones here?
Yeah, I got my rake.
You got your rake out? Do you think you could rake the leaves very gently away from that flower? That's the hellebore that Mommy bought from the plant sale at the state fair. Yep, be very gentle. Great job. Keep raking away.
Good job. Can you do more? Ooh. Good job. That's hard work. Can you point it with the pointy end?
Like this. Watch.
Okay.
You try it?
Like that. Can you dig that up?
Good job.
Careful for the flower. Mommy loves those flowers.
Wow, that's good.
And I got some over here.
Over there too?
You're gonna dig a hole over there for me?
Beth wanted to put some of the hellebores that I brought out here in the front garden under the lilac tree, and some of them went into the back garden on the hill. I don't believe we've actually shown you guys the back garden on the hill. Maybe later this summer we'll do that. So Leon was quite the helper. He had new little hand spade that he was digging some holes with. Well, it didn't take long for our gardening day to turn into just a general family fun day. Bicycles and basketballs and baseballs and blankies and all sorts of other things to distract us away from the gardening. So we didn't do any more gardening today, and for the rest of the trip we didn't either. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful day in your gardens wherever you are, and I hope you're able to enjoy your garden space with the ones that you love as well. I'll see you again in a few days, folks. It's going to be a while, but I'll be back soon, Take care and happy gardening.